This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Olivia Sawyer. Stunning Craftsman home in the sought-after Western Gailes neighborhood of award-winning Ford's Colony. Fantastic floor plan with large, main-level primary suite with spa-like walk-in shower, standing bath and dual vanities. Gorgeous eat-in kitchen with Wolf and Subzero chef's grade appliances. A full stone, wood-burning fireplace in the living room with access to a spacious screened porch and deck in the rear. Upstairs is an additional suite with gorgeous finishes and a third and fourth bedroom with another full bath. Amazing attic space could easily be a fifth bedroom. The fully roughed-in, nearly 2,000 square feet walkout basement could be another 2 or 3 bedrooms, a full bonus room space, or another office. Minutes from Monticello Marketplace, off the Firestone gate. Fantastic shopping, dining,